For today's pH determination experiment, we're going to be using the same apparatus that we used for the bulk electrolysis earlier, with some minor changes. If you're going to perform this experiment, follow along with the electrolysis video right up until the point where we would have been pouring in the electrolyte, and then continue this video. Remove the plungers from the syringes that we previously inserted into our cardboard or index card, depending on which one you used. Litmus paper is an invaluable tool that allows us to determine the pH qualitatively of a solution. In front of me, I have 3 strips of paper, litmus paper, and 3 solutions. The one on the left is acidic, and as you can see as I dip it in, it turns our litmus paper light pink. It would turn darker pink if it was a stronger acid. In the center, we have neutral deionized water. When we dip in our litmus paper to the deionized water, we can see there's not really much change at all. And on the right is our basic solution, and you can see as we dip our litmus paper in, it becomes a dark blue color. Take 2 1-centimeter pieces of litmus paper and fold them in half twice the long way. Push them into the syringes, and then use one of the plungers we removed earlier to push them down the syringe barrel. Place the litmus-loaded syringes over the needles in the electrolysis apparatus. Then, pour the electrolyte solution into the apparatus. Make sure that the liquid level is above the litmus paper. If it isn't, use a plunger to push it farther down. Place the electrolysis apparatus into the cup containing our battery, making sure that there is good contact between the battery terminals and the thumbtacks. Once you see bubbles forming, our electrolysis has begun, and we can then monitor the color of our litmus paper as it changes during electrolysis. After about 2 minutes, our experiment is done, and you can remove the syringe board from the apparatus. Take note of the color of the litmus paper. Which of our control strips does it most look like? Which terminal syringe did the change occur in, and what reaction at the terminal do you think caused that change?